In this video, we will see how you can choose a correct template as per your requirement. So for that, first of all, what you have to do is you just simply need to go to new in the model. Let's simply click on new, and after that you have to choose the template file. So here what I will just do, I will just simply choose the architectural template and just click on OK. Now after that a window will open like this. So if you want to check whether actually the settings, whether you want to click on walls, you can see here that this is in it means that this thing is in metric. So all the, you can see all the measurements, all of these things are in metric, but we actually want to use the UK template file. And for that what you have to do is, all you need is just to simply go to file, and here you have to go to option, and after that just simply navigate to the file location. So here you will get all of these file locations. You can see that for construction template, for architecture and structural, you will get these things. So all you need is just to simply click on this path, and after that at the end of this path you will see these three dot buttons. You just simply need to click on that one, and if you click on that one you can see that right now the default metric, the default one is metric, but we want this one UK. So you just simply need to click on this one and then hit OK. So we will do the same procedure for the architectural as well the structural. So let's simply go here, click on this one, click on UK, OK, click here or here, just simply three dot, okay, and hit open. Okay, so now that we have already set these things up, if you don't want this mechanical template, system template and like that, so you can just simply click on this mechanical, okay, and then hit this remove value. So like that you can just simply remove this value. System you don't want, electrical you don't want, and plumbing you don't want. So this is how you can configure your template. You can, from here as well, you can actually rename these things if you want, but as of now I'm going with the same name. Now if you look here, you see that you have the default path for the user file. If you're happy with that, you can just simply leave these things as it is. If you're not, you can just simply browse and change this thing from here. Now after that we have this default path for family template file. You can just simply click on browse, and here you can see that we are already in English, so we don't need to make any kind of changes here. It might be possible that you might in some different template. So all you need is just to simply navigate to the English and then hit double click here and then click on open. So like that you can change this default path for the family template as well, and from here you can actually change the root path for the points clause as well, if you can just simply click and browse here. Now so these are the settings that you can do in order to get the template file, UK template. Okay, and next we have this system analysis workflow. So here at the bottom, very bottom, you can see a button called places. So with the help of this you can actually reconfigure your library file path. So if you just simply click on this one, and after that you can just simply click on this metric file, you will notice that the library file does not exist. So don't worry about that, we will see how we can fix this issue in the next video. So let me just simply click on cancel and click on cancel here. So we have already made these changes in this file, so you can just simply hit OK. And if you notice again, you can say that, oh, we have already made the changes, but why we are not getting the why the dimension are still the same. So basically you just simply need to close this project. Okay, let me just simply cancel that. No, I don't want to save it, and next time you are going to open this you will get that UK template. So let me show you. If I just simply click on new, and then this time I will go with the architectural template. We have already deleted those three templates, so you won't be able to see it here. And then if I hit OK, and if I go to wall, you will see that now we are getting the things in the UK template. So this is how you can set up the template in Revit.